Hey guys, it's your favorite optician again. So today I want to color my hair. Basically, I just want to replenish the color that was on my hair already, and so I decided how about I document this and we do it together. Yeah, so the product I use has what we call a color recharge. So I'm just going to put something direct that's just going to restore my hair back to the red that I had colored it last time. Yeah, by the way, something else I noticed. You see how my hair has changed back to this goldish brown color? Yeah? But funny thing, so the hair at the back is not really goldish brown anymore. Let me show you. The hair at the back is a bit more red than the hair at the front. Funny enough, the hair at the back is what usually gets to get in contact with water a lot, especially when I'm showering. So I have a theory. I think for me this goes to prove that with the hair color, water is less harmful to your color than the sun is. So my theory is hair that's exposed to the sun tends to fade faster than hair that's not exposed to the sun. So it's not the water really that makes the hair dye fade off fast, but rather the sun. That's a fun fact. I think it's what I've discovered without even trying. So anyway, let's go through this. Let's do it and see how it turns out. So I start by washing my hair. Just a simple wash, water, shampoo, then rinse the shampoo out completely. Make sure all the shampoo is out of your hair. Okay, so now I've finished washing my hair, towel drying as well. Yeah, the hair is basically ready for the color process. So what you're going to need is the product itself, the hair color, and then a container where you put the hair color, yes, a brush which you'll use to color your hair, and a shower cap which we'll use after we put the color when we're waiting for the color to process. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start by sectioning my hair. That way it's going to be easier for me to color it if I'm doing it, part by part instead of doing the whole head at the same time. So for sectioning, I like to use this tiny black rubber bands. Yeah, so I have sections and I look like a mad woman, but there goes life. So yeah, we're gonna do section by section. I know the back is going to be a bit tricky, but we can do this. Okay, I'll start with one section in the front so that the hair can start processing the color, So, two things. Some things I forgot. I told you it's the first time I'm doing this by myself in the house. First of all, I forgot to put petroleum around my scalp. Thing is, I'm not coloring till the end of my scalp, so I think that's why I forgot, because I don't want the color to be to start right from where my scalp is. But it's still a very good practice to put petroleum around your scalp. You can use Vaseline or Arimis. It's all cool. But yeah, you just need a protective layer so that the color doesn't stay on your scalp. Okay, after that, something else I forgot was to put on gloves. So I've tried to wash off some of the color from my hand, but yeah, have on gloves, especially on the hand that is dealing with the dye the most. Make sure you put on gloves. Okay, I'm gonna do the other sections as well. Two sections done. Let me do all the rest. Decided to put on the second glove because I realized I need to do a lot of massaging, especially for the ones at the back. It's going to be pretty tricky to use just the brush. I'm going to have to massage a lot of it with my hands. So yeah, both gloves. Like I told you, we're learning together. So I'm doing a back one now. I'm telling you, the struggle is real. I'm doing this by faith. Well, anyway, of course you need a mirror. This is what I was talking about. At the back, we need to massage the hair basically with the hands because I mean I can't see the strands so well, so I have to massage the color into the hair. Okay, one last section. You can see we've pretty much done everything else, so just one more to go. Okay, so I've pretty much applied color onto all the sections. Now I'm going to put on a shower cape and let the color process for a while. Okay, so now we let it sit for 30 minutes and then we can wash it off. So I was going to take a video as I washed, but the weather was such an enemy of progress. Lights went out. Anyway, this is the final red. I actually love it, love it, love it. Pretty much, you know? Yeah, so it wasn't bad for a first attempt. It's the first time I've colored my own hair and I think it went pretty well. So I'm going to follow it up with a hot oil treatment just so that I make sure the hair is protected. If you have no idea what that is, I'm going to link a video down and you can see the process. If you want to do it, I mean, go ahead. Anyway, as usual guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave me comments down below. Don't forget to share the video as well and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time, or should I say see you when you see me? Anyway, remember, Locs rock.